Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share some practical tips to increase memory and concentration. So, if you are a student, then this video going to help you a lot. Firstly, you need to know the memory types. Memory has three types: sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Sensory memory is the memory that registers in our brain through our five senses. Short-term memory is a type of memory where information stores for shorter periods. When you concentrate on something, it goes in your short-term memory, while repetition of the information saves this information into long-term memory. So, if you want to improve your memory, concentration and repetition of the information are the key factors to save this information into your long-term memory. Firstly, you need to concentrate on the information you want to store and repeat this information to process it in long-term memory. Long-term memory helps us to recall the information when we need it. You can also make small parts of information if it is too long to remember. That is called chunking. Another important method to improve memory that you can relate your data to be remembered with some interesting thing, so at time of recall it will easy to help you to recall it, because studies shows that brain save unusual information more effectively. Include your brain in such activities which will help your brain to strengthen it, like play mind games such as chess. This game will challenge your brain and your brain cells will be more active. It will also help to increase the capacity of your memory as it activates most part of the brain. Try also to learn new languages. It also involves most active parts of brain, because when we learn new skill, brain cells become more active and retain information longer than usual. This will challenge your brain. Challenging your brain helps it to perform better. Also make some time for meditation, as it helps the brain cells that are involved in memorizing the things. It improves that part of the brain which are actively involved in memorizing the things. Sleep is also a key factor in improving your memory. So make sure you have 7 to 8 hours of sleep. It will help to retain information in your memory more longer and better recall. Another important factor is your food. You must have a good food or healthy food to improve your memory. Avoid screen times before bed. The blue light that comes from cell phone, TV, computer and screens inhibits the production of sleep hormone, as sleep is mandatory to enhance memory. So here's my today's video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.